Okay guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be doing the import time module in Python, which is basically this. So let's get into it. So the basic element we will be using is time.sleep. Let's set to 3 seconds and do print so as you can see, this will wait 3 seconds until it prints the finished. Yep, it said finished. So now let's actually get into it. So we're gonna be doing a timer, which is gonna basically count from 1 to x. So let's define x. X equals integer and input time. So what this basically does, it basically gets the x from your input and converts it into an integer, because we cannot do this with a string. So the next command is for I in range of 1 to x plus 1. So what this basically does is for I in range is a loop, and the range is it's 1 to x plus 1. So if we set the number as 5, it would end at 4, but we don't want that. So we want it to end at the number we set to end it at. And the next command is basically going to be time.sleep 1. So this is basically gonna be our second and minutes. We also need to define the minutes because we want it in a fancy minutes and seconds format. So how do we define the minutes? Well, a minute is 60 seconds, so we're gonna get I divided by 60. So this basically gets out of a number like 120. So if we have a number like 125, it will get us out of the number 125 it will get us 2 minutes, and we will be left with 5 seconds. But this is for minutes, this is not for seconds. So we also need to define seconds. So I divided, what's left of this. So this is basically gonna get what was left of this. So if you have a number like 125, it will basically get the minutes out of it, which means 2, and here it's gonna get the remaining, which is 5. So now we need to print all of this out with this. So the f is there, so it isn't a string, but so it prints like the actual value and not just the string. So we're gonna put minutes here because we want an MSS format, and the seconds. So the 0 to D basically stands for 2 digits, so our format will be MSS. So this is basically the finished code, so let's run it. So let's do 9 seconds at first. So as you can see, it's already counting up. And it finished at the 9 second. It finished at 9 seconds. Because if we did not have the +1 there, it would have not. So let's put 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would end at 8 and not our desired time. So we have to put the +1 there. So now we're gonna run this and we're gonna try 2 minutes. So we're gonna try 1 minute. So we're gonna put 67. Now this should basically just count till 59, then it should add to the minutes 1 and then count till 7. So it should end at minute 7. So let's just wait this out patiently. And we're at a minute now. So as you can see, there's minutes, and yep, we ended at a minute and 7, which is correct time. So I also wanna show you how in other ways that time is used for. In example, this is a really nice, basically starter project. The reason why I never showed this on the channel is because it's so long. Like the codes, it's basically you have to print out everything. As you can see here, it defines your health and inventory, and there's just a bunch of if, elif, if. There's just so many, but as you can see, it always uses the time.sleep. So it looks better, and it's not instant. As you can see, it waits a little bit. We're not gonna be playing this through. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.